Smart School Kids Zone, your favorite school.
Yes, welcome to Smart School Kids Zone, your favorite school. And today we will see living and non-living things concept. Okay, so living means this lion, and non-living car.
Cat.
So let's see. Before that, you just go ahead and visit our website smartschool.infolips.com, and you can visit us Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Please visit our educational game and craft channel, which links are given in the description. So let's continue.
Yes.
Living and non-living things. See here, there are so many things around us, and out of that some are living and
Someone
whereas
non-living.
some are non-living
Non-living
things.
things.
Like this, there are living things also and non-living things also. Okay, so let's see more detail. Let's see what are the difference between living things and non-living things. So first, living things. Things that have life are called living things. What? Things that have life are called living things. So these are the examples like lion, tree, and human. Okay, so these are the examples of living things. Let's see non-living things. Things that do not have life are called non-living things. So see here the example: car, then cool, and balloons. So these are the non-living things examples. Okay, now see the features. Let's see the features of living things. So here we go. Living things. First, living things can breathe. Okay,
Yes.
living things can move.
Yes.
Living things can grow.
Yes.
And living things need food and water to live. And last one, living things can reproduce. So let's see the examples of each feature. So first one, living things can breathe. See here, the boy, then these animals, these plants, all are need air. So they are breathing. Living things can breathe. So they need air and they can breathe with their nose. Animals and humans are breathe with their nose, and plants from their leaves. Okay. So plants, human, animals are breathe air to live. Okay. Let's see next one. See this picture. So there are boy jumping, then bird is flying, and then plant is also shaking. So see, living things can move. Means boy can jump, walk, run, or he can shake his hands like this. He can move from one place to another place. Similar, the birds can fly from one place to another place, and we can see some movements in the plants. They can move their leaves or branches like that sunflower tree. It shows their moves according to the movement of sun. Okay, now see there are fishes also. They can swim from one place to another place. So like this, these are the examples of living things can move. Okay,
Okay.
their own. Living things can grow. See here. So first one is baby. They grow into child and then into man. Okay. So first one is baby, then he became child, then he became man. Like this, living things can grow. See here in animals. So first one is calf, and it again grow into the cow. Right? So we know that the living things can grow. Okay. Let's see one more feature. Living things can grow. See the seed. The seed is grow into the plant. Okay, and see there. A kitten grows into a
Cat.
cat. So this is small cat. It's called kitten. When it grow, then it became cat. Okay. So like this, living things can grow. Let's see next feature. Living things need food and water. What they need? Food and water. See there, boys and girls are doing their party with sandwiches and juice. So they need food and water for a drink, right? Similar, the children eating food and drinking water. See there, the animals are also drinking water, but what we call that? Animals lapping up water. So like this, we know that the living things need food and water to live. Next one, living things reproduce. They give birth to their own kind. Means that all animals and living things. Okay. So here human give birth to young ones. Then hen lays egg, and from the egg the young ones come out. Then most of the plants grow from the seeds. Like this, all living things come from their own kind. Okay. Let's see the features of non-living things. So there are some examples. Non-living things do not breathe. Non-living things do not move. Non-living things do not grow. Non-living things do not need food and water, and they do not reproduce. Okay. So see the both difference in one place, living things and non-living things. See here, can breathe, do not breathe. Can move, do not move. Can grow, do not grow. Need food and water, they do not need food and water. Can reproduce, but they cannot reproduce. Living things can feel, non-living things cannot feel. Okay, so these are the main difference between living things and non-living things. Okay, Bhavi, let's test time. Which is the natural things? Now tell me, Bhavi. Telephone, pencil, car and rock. Which is natural things?
Rock.
Right, it is rock because it is not man-made. Okay. Which is not a natural things? Tell me, which is not natural things?
Umbrella.
Right, it is umbrella because it is man-made, and mountain, tree and birds are natural things. Right? Who one can move on its own.
Tiger.
Right, it's a tiger because car, cycle and bus are man-made things. They do not move their own. Let's see which is a non-living thing. Cat, snail, pencil or ant.
Pencil.
Right, it is pencil because it is again man-made. It's a non-living thing. Okay? One more test time. Match the following. So there are column A and column B. Column A, living things, non-living things, natural, non-living things and man-made things. And column B, car, lion, computer, rock. Now tell me, living things.
Lion.
Right, it is lion. Non-living things.
Car.
Right, it's a car. Natural, non-living things.
Rock.
Right, it's a rock. And man-made thing?
Computer.
Computer. Right, perfect, Bhavi. You got the 4 points. Okay. Okay, friends, I hope you understand what is living things and what are the non-living things. Thank you. If you really like this video, then please click the like button. Also comment it and share with your friends. And do subscribe our channel for more such videos and press the bell icon so we'll get the notification when we upload the new video. So see you in the next video. Till then,
Bye.
bye. See you again.